Have you ever wondered why helium balloons float? Why they seem to defy gravity, soaring high into the sky, much to the delight of children and adults alike? The answer lies in the fascinating properties of one of the universe's most abundant elements, helium. Helium, denoted by the chemical symbol E, is the second lightest element in our known universe, sitting comfortably next to hydrogen on the periodic table. It's an odorless, colorless, tasteless, non-toxic gas, and it's lighter than air. This, in essence, is why helium balloons float. They're filled with a gas that's lighter than the air around them, causing them to rise in the atmosphere. But there's more to helium than just party balloons. This gas is a noble element, a member of the aptly named noble gases group on the periodic table. What makes these gases noble? It's their lack of reactivity. Helium, like its noble gas kin, is monatomic. It prefers its own company and doesn't readily form compounds with other elements. This is because its outer shell of electrons is full, meaning it doesn't need to bond with other elements to achieve a stable configuration. Interestingly, helium also has the lowest boiling and melting points of any element, meaning it remains in its gaseous state at incredibly low temperatures. This property makes helium invaluable in the field of cryogenics, where it's used to create extremely low temperatures. It's also used in Large Hadron Collider, the world's most powerful particle accelerator, to keep the superconducting magnets at a frosty -270 degrees Celsius. Another fascinating property of helium is its behavior under certain conditions. When cooled to a temperature close to absolute zero, helium becomes a superfluid, a fluid that can flow without friction. This allows it to do some pretty remarkable things, like climbing up and over the sides of a container, defying gravity. So, to summarize, helium is more than just the life of the party. It's one of the lightest elements in the universe, lighter than air, and it's a noble gas, meaning it doesn't readily react with other elements. It has the lowest boiling and melting points of any element, making it crucial in cryogenics and other scientific applications. And when cooled to near absolute zero, it takes on superfluid properties, flowing without friction and even appearing to defy gravity. Helium, a seemingly simple gas, holds a wealth of complexity and intrigue. It's a shining example of how even the smallest things can hold enormous significance in our universe.